to be our guest. You check in down there at the end of the bridge and they hand you a menu to look at. This is for lunch, and I think breakfast is the same way. And then you actually order your food inside here, inside the doorway, like in the hall, on these kiosks. And you kind of put in your own order on the kiosk, and then you go find a table, and then you get a magical rose. And when your food is ready, they bring you your food on a cart and they find you by your rose. That's how they do it at lunch. Here's the hallway where it's just like a castle. Tapestries on the walls. Here's the main hall. And you get in line here. And then we go through this hall up here and you get into the next room and then you order on the kiosk. What? Oh yeah, a little different this time. There were cashiers. There were kiosks too, and a guy kind of like asked you want me to check in there first? Yeah. A guy asked you how many in your party, if you had any dietary needs, and how you were going to pay. And then based on how you answered those questions, he either sent you to a kiosk or a cashier. He sent me to a cashier, and I don't know why. But it was quick and easy, and now we're looking for a table. Ooh. Okay, there was no space in there really wasn't any space out there either. There was just a couple big tables for bigger parties. So we're in the same room we ate in the last time we were here, which I don't know what this is called. It's the one where Beast and Belle are dancing. Has lots of pretty tapestry artwork on the wall.
How are you today?
Hi, thank you. The server just brought our food in that fancy cart. Megan got the French onion soup and oh no, they brought you both chocolate.
No, this is white.
Oh, why does it look like chocolate?
Because it's purple.
And Megan and Ben both got the triple chocolate cupcake, which looks really good.
Yeah.
Ben got the kids macaroni, which comes with fries and marinara and cheese that you can put on yourself. I got the potato soup and the croque monsieur, which is basically a ham and cheese sandwich, and fries. You could also get green beans, I think was the other choice. And then I got a cream puff, which has chocolate mousse inside. We will let you know afterwards how we liked everything. Okay, this is a mid-meal update. Megan has resorted to picking the cheese off of her French onion soup with her fingers because there's so much of it. She says that this French onion soup is better than the French onion soup she had on Mariner of the Seas last summer. Ben has taken to eating the chocolate icing off of his cupcake with a spoon.
You have to eat it.
Okay, Ben, how did you enjoy your pasta?
Good.
It was good. He liked being able to put on his own cheese. He also found that dipping his fries, his pommes frites, in the marinara sauce was quite tasty. I already said what Megan thought of the French onion soup. My potato leek soup was delicious. I scarfed down and licked the bowl clean. It was really good. It was very creamy. There were no chunks of potatoes in it. It was just cream soup. It was very good. My croque monsieur was very warm and hearty and very tasty. The bread is really good. Megan is taking all my pommes frites because I didn't really eat them. The fries are crispy. They're like thin like McDonald's fries, but they're dry and crispy. Oh my gosh, look at the cupcake. I'm gonna take a bite out of the cream puff so you guys can see what it's like inside. Chocolate mousse inside, whipped cream on top. Very good, very flaky and light. The cream puff with the chocolate mousse inside is really good. I loved it. I ate every little bit. Megan is now eating the cupcake. Ben kind of like murdered his cupcake, so it's kind of murdered. Megan, what do you think?
It's really good. The chocolate ganache is super rich.
Did you eat the raspberry?
Yes, the raspberries were good.
All three of our desserts had a little chocolate square that said "Be Our Guest" in gold. How do they do that? What is that? Is it real gold?
No, we died.
Okay, some kind of gold thing written on the little chocolate square. It was dark chocolate, wasn't
It
it?
said be our beer.
Yeah, it's a little dark chocolate square stuck in the icing on the top of everything. Mine was at my whipped cream. Okay. Check out those shirts, folks. Not gonna miss them in a crowd. I'm trying to catch, if I catch it, because this is behind us, and I remembered what this room is called. This is the Rose Gallery, because it's like an art gallery with all the artwork everywhere. That's the ballroom, the main ballroom, where the snow is falling through the windows. And then the room that's dark with the actual rose in it, and everything's all trashed because the beast freaked out and trashed it, that's the west wing. So if you're coming here and you're trying to figure out where to sit, that's what those rooms are called. You can sit in whichever one you want. You have to find a table that is appropriate for your party size and clean. Okay, are you to the... Oh, sorry, but anyway. People have been coming and standing behind Megan in large groups, all with their cameras up, because they're taking pictures of that. And we were joking that it's like having paparazzi, and like 100 people now are going to have pictures of like the top of me and Ben's head and the back of Megan's head, because they've all been standing right here taking pictures. Okay, Megan, are you to the cupcake? Like this.
No.
Okay, when she gets to the cupcake part, we'll come back. Look at all the ganache. And, okay, don't drop it on yourself. Hold it over your plate. She's trying to dig it out. It's in this, like, what is that, like?
Plastic.
What?
It's plastic.
There's like a plastic sleeve on it, and you can't get it off. And so you have to kind of dig it out. How's the cakey part?
Good.
Did you hit the mousse?
Yeah, it's all soft and fluffy.
Okay.
I drank the mousse in one bite.
Yum. So, yum. All around yum. We like Be Our Guest a lot. This is our second time eating here. We highly recommend it. Safe travels.
We can make a wildfire getaway.